Good morning, student. We will explain motion in straight line chapter 3. Student, we will derive the equation of motion, second equation of motion. In previous video, I had proved that first equation of motion by calculus method. Today, I will prove the second equation of motion by calculus method. It is called as distance time equation or distance time relation. Okay, students, let an object moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration A at instant t. Student will take small displacement ds. Small displacement ds in small time interval dt. Student, I explained already. We will integrate. In the calculus method, we will apply the integration of the quantities. Okay, by the integration method. Students, here the equation is that the equation if velocity. Students, first we will count as instantaneous velocity. If instantaneous velocity of the body B, if instantaneous velocity of body V such that student V is equal to what is instantaneous velocity? Instantaneous velocity means if you have velocity in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, okay, then your velocity in particular 4 seconds or 3rd second or 2 seconds, not total 2 seconds, not total 3 seconds. It is only one part, means 3rd second, 4th second. 4th second velocity or 3rd second means particular. Here 3rd to 4th, okay, not a total 4. Here only 4th second velocity means particular any instant or any time. The given velocity is called instantaneous velocity. Okay, at a time on that representing the velocity is called 4th second velocity, 5th second velocity, 3rd second velocity. Okay, this is called instantaneous velocity. Students, that's why if you have a small value displacement ds and time interval dt, then student velocity v is equal to what? Here is the displacement ds, then v is equal to ds upon dt. Students, we have v is equal to ds upon dt. The student ds is equal to v dt. Okay, now put by the first equation of motion, but v is equal to u plus at. Okay, we will put this value. That's why here will be, that is that ds is equal to u plus at, u plus a in bracket dt. In bracket dt. This is the ds. Okay, this is the ds. Students, now we will integrate it. Okay, on integrating it, with the limit t is equal to 0 to t and s is equal to 0 to s. Okay, means this is the initial limit, this is final limit. Initial, this is final limit. Okay, students, now we put this value here. Now we will prove by the integration method, means taking limit by the limit. Okay, I have explained it here. 0 to s, this is the limit, and ds is equal to here 0 to t, then u in bracket u plus at into dt. Okay, student, here is that ds 0 to s is equal to here 0 to t u dt plus g. We will apply, open the bracket, and we will apply in both integration method, divided, distributed in both quantities u and at. A t dt 0 to t. Okay. Student, here u is constant. The value of u constant. That's why u is here not exit the integration, not apply the integration on the particular heat u, particular velocity u, constant velocity, because constant is not taken in the integration. Okay, that's why u 0 to t and dt. Here constant a constant, then only apply on the t. Okay, then 0 to t dt. Okay, by the integration method, students, integration method I explained it. What? When x to power n integration can have x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is the integration formula. Okay, that's why here dt, if integration dt, then dt is equal to t. Okay, and here t power 1. That's why here t dt means t to power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 means t square by 2. Okay, this is the integration. That's why you will put this value here u and 0 to t, and here first we will solve integration dt gives t. That's why t 0 to t and plus a here t. If you will solve the integration t dt, then t to here t to power 1 and here x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. By this method, by the integration method, you will solve it t to power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, then t square by 2. Here t square by 2 and 0 to t. Then you will get here u. You will put the final value minus initial u, t minus 0 here plus a and 1 by 2 out of the bracket, then t whole square minus 0 square. Then you will get ut plus 1 by 2a and here t square. Here ds, it is here its value will be s 0 to s, and final value minus initial value, then you will put s minus 0 and you will get s1. Then s is equal to then second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square 1 by 2 at square. You will get s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. Okay, you will get this value. Okay, I will repeat it, student. Here is that, student, here v is equal to ds by dt, instantaneous value, instantaneous velocity means ds upon dt, particular time, particular displacement. Then ds is equal to v into dt. D is equal to v dt, but v is equal to u plus at. Put this value, then v is equal to u plus at. Put u plus at into dt. Here on integrating it with limit t is equal to 0 to t and s equal to 0 to s. Then 0 to s ds integration sign and 0 to t u plus at dt. Student, here we will get 0 to s ds 0 to t. We will apply, we will distribute on both it u and at. Then 0 to t u dt. This will also apply on u plus 0 to t, at into dt, here dt. Then you will get students, here 0 to s, u is constant, then outside of the integration, and 0 to t, dt plus a here. In this, a is constant, acceleration a is constant. Then like 0 to t, integration t dt. Student, now formula is that x to integration x to power n is equal to x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That's why you will get t to power 1 here dt, t square by 2 is t to power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 is t square by 2. Okay, and by the integration you will get the value of dx is equal to x and dt is equal to t. That's why here the value will be t. Here integration of dt you will get t and 0 to t limit plus a, here t square by 2 by this, t square by 2 0 to t. Then you will solve by the limit method. Put final limit minus initial limit. Then t minus 0 plus a, and here 1 by 2 also constant, a by 2. Then t to square means final quantity t to square minus 0 square. Then you will get here also final integration ds you will get s and 0 to s. Then put the final minus initial limit s minus 0 here s. S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. You will get s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. This is the second equation of function. This is the calculus method. You will get by the calculus method s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. I hope all of you understood by this video. Note down in your copy, fair copy, okay, and you will practice it, okay. And I prove next third equation of function by the calculus method in next video. Okay, thank you students.